Both houses are fully framed up. It's time for another walkthrough Wednesday. Let's go ahead and check them out and see what we got. All right, so we just walked to the back of the house here. We're fully framed up, like I said earlier. Foundations in, fully framed up, got the roof on, got the black paper on the roof as well. Got our house wrap on. That's our exterior protection for right now. Of course, we got hardy plank siding coming in, but this is in a rough stage. It's ugly, it's gritty, but I promise you, it's gonna have to get a lot worse before it gets better. And so that's kind of where we're at right now. Our porches haven't been filled in. We got to fill that in with stone again, like I mentioned earlier. Concrete cap it. We're waiting on our doors and windows, so we got boards up on the doors and windows just to kind of protect the neighborhood and make sure no kids or animals get in. So let's go ahead and get a quick tour of the inside and show you where we're at. So this is the back door to the house, and as we're coming in, we got the utility room here. Then our electrical panel's going to go on this wall here. Laundry room here, pantry, oversized pantry. And so, yeah, this house is gonna be pretty nice. And then as we're making our way into the house, this is gonna be the ultimate kitchen. We're gonna have a nice large island here, bank of cabinets along this wall. Our sink is here. And then we're gonna have our fridge is gonna be on this wall again with banks of cabinets. We're gonna have our master bathroom back there. And then as we come further in here, we got the formal dining room, which is gonna be beautiful. We got 2 large windows kind of facing the street. It's gonna bring plenty of light into here. So it's gonna be it's gonna be a beautiful home here, a beautiful home for some well-deserving homeowners. We got 2 large windows in the front there as well. So things are coming along well. The next steps, again, as I kind of already mentioned, is that we got our windows and doors coming in here. Can't wait to get those in here, because then we get to bring a lot more light in here. This house, this floor plan, so on this house here, the roof is a little bit different. We got a couple of different, we got a gable end that goes side to side on this house here. And I know we got exterior pictures or exterior video, so we'll show you what that looks like as well, just from the outside. So it's a pretty cool feature about this home. But yeah, as you know, stay tuned, more coming soon.